Subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Continue.
www.creator24 app
Please, if you're new to this channel,
creator24.com.
don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and
Yeah,
also
this is the
like the
link.
video.
So
Please do this to
once
support.
I hear as you can see, there's the sign up here below. Yeah, the reason why I love this website is because you can have access to it through your cell phone and through your laptop or PC. Yeah, as you can see, I am as you can see here, I'm on the website also with my cellular phone. So that's what I want to show you guys. Yeah, as you can see, I'm on the website with my phone, the app creator 24. It's maybe blur, but I think you can see it's almost the same thing. Yeah, so so let's get started. So people keep asking that how can they how can they make an app with this website, but some just try to move into it without any guidance. But in this video I'll be guiding you on how you can create an app successfully without any comma. So let's get started. So my email and password already, I'll just sign in. If you are new, you can just sign up as usual, but I'm already there, so I'll sign in. There is a lot of app I've created for people. As you can see, there are so much. So but in this video I'll be showing you on how you can create an app. So once you're already signed up, to carry to a dashboard like this, once you sign up and to take it to something like this, a dashboard like this. So in this place you are just to put the name of your app. In this place, this will show the name of your app. So let's me just make it demo app. Demo app. And let me choose the file. Pics, I mean. Let me make use of this and put a description, an app description. Welcome to demo app. So we click next. So you can choose any style of your choice, but I prefer the blue. So click the blue and click next. So it will carry to this kind of platform. So you can actually, in this website, you can create an application for the chat and social network, the review tutorial, the web app, the blog app, the TV video app, the radio station music app, the retail app, and the service app. But in this video I'll be showing you on how to create an app for your website. So it's also the same as this blog app, but so let's create for a website app. So let me just name it Facebook, and this Facebook, or let me just use Google, because Google is now first oriented. So I'll just click next. So and it's take me to go to app manager. So I click on go to app manager. So as you can see, this is general info, the sections, the office, the product, but you don't really need all this. All you just need is this. So you come here, you click the name. This is already set already. You can actually change the package name, something like com dot demo app. You can actually leave it as default or you can change it. Is your choice. So com.demoapp.android, then you click save. So it takes 2 minutes to generate tab, so you just leave this for 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's actually regenerating, so you just leave like this. Then you come to general. This is set already, you don't need to tamper any stuff with this. Then you come to share. You can actually change this to share my demo app. Then click save. Then the launch message, this is compulsory. You feel like just put like a welcome note, welcome to demo app 2019. Then you click save. Then for the design, you must come to the design. Then for the color is already, you can choose any color of your choice, but I said I choose blue, so I leave. And from the front, you can change front to any of your choice, but I leave as default. Then for the menu type, this is compulsory. You must come to this menu type whenever you are creating an app. So you click. So you have to choose any of these, but I recommend you choose this. So and you click save. If you feel like you can add a picture and header image, but I don't really need this, so I just click save. Then once I've done that, if you want to and then you come to this section. So if you want to add more sections like Google, Instagram, Facebook, you click create section. Then you click on same web view. Then let me put my website here. And I click save. Then if you feel like you can still add more, let's add more. Then click create section. Then let's add Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Copy. Then paste here. And click save. So what next? Then that's all about the launching. Then for the next, for the ads and how you can insert your ad, you come here. As you can see, you have space for banner ads, interstitial, and reward. Actually, native ads and all these are not active any longer. So let's just go to test. Let me put a test ad
Please,
there.
if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video.
So, yeah, as you can see, these are tested for banner, interstitial, and the reward. So I'll be copying this for the banner. Actually, if you have an AdMob account ready already, so you just go to the AdMob account and you copy your ad in it, then you paste it. But I can't do that. Since this is a test app, I will just use this. So this is the banner. Come here, then paste in your AdMob ad unit, then you paste for the banner. Then you can, if you want to put it at the top or bottom, you can click top, but I will insist put it at bottom. Then you can change the ad size. If you want it to be normal, you want it to be large, you click this, well, leave it as normal. Then you come for the interstitial also. Let's copy the interstitial. Then you paste also in interstitial. Yeah. Actually, you can actually apply for all these ad network. You can apply for AdMob, AppNest, Facebook, and Startup. You can apply for these 4 ad network in your app. So but I'm just showing you an example, so I'll use the hard move as an example. So in the chart for the interceptor, we can make this in every 2 page. So this video, so we copy for the reward video also, then we paste also in the video. Yeah. Then we click save. Note, like this, if you launch our app, our video ads won't show because we haven't enabled video ads to show in the app settings. So we have to come to section, then we click on the Google, like we click on edit, then we will see something like advanced settings, click to expand. So we click on this, then it pop up different. So then we don't tamper with this, we just come below it. You see required to watch video is always default as no, so you click yes. So if you click this now, your reward video will show. So we click save. So right now our app is ready because this name should have finished regenerating, so we don't have any issue here, as you can see. So we click download app. Yeah, as you can see, we can download our app now. We can download our app. So click on the download. Yeah, as you can see, our app is downloading. Yeah, as you can see, our app has downloaded. So let me launch the app for you on my cell phone and show you guys. Yeah, as you can see, I'll be launching the app for you now to see. As you can see, this is our app and it is installing. I will still show you guys very well at the end of the video. So, as you can see, our app is launching and it's done. So I click open. As you can see, it's displaying, and I click yes. As you can see, that was our image. So then we launch our app. And so our app is launching. Click OK. So that's it. As you can see, our test start is showing very well, and these are Facebook and others, but let me show you this very well. I will show you very well. And please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. This is our app which I just sent to my phone. As you can see, this is the app. You can see it installing. So once it is installed now, I will click open.
Will you keep quiet? Jesus is Lord.
So please click on open. I don't know why this is taking so long.
Hey! I hear me to me by me.
So let's just check if it's installed. This is not yet installed, so I'll just wait. Yeah, as you can see, it's installed now. Then I'll click open. Here, as you can see, click yes. As you can see, this was the image we attached to our app. Then I click OK. Here, as you can see, this is Google, and these are our test ad showing. Once I click on Google, it will show our it will ask us for the video, then we click OK. And once we click OK, it will show us our test video. Yeah, as you can see,
video test ad. Nice job loading it. I'm gonna go fire the reward call.
there's our test video house. Then I click it. Then if I click on my website,
please, if you're new to this channel,
loading.
Don't forget to
If
subscribe,
I double click
hit
2
the bell
times to show
icon,
our
and also like this video.
full ads. Yeah, as you can see, shown. Then for the Facebook also, as you can see, this is our Facebook also is set already, and this privacy policy was set already. So that's all, and we are good. Please, if you are watching this video with us for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.